We're driving to Khajjiar today. This drive is just insane. It's so beautiful. Yellow leaves, red leaves falling from the sky. It's unbelievable. Such a pretty road. We had to stop the car and just walk. This is prettier than Switzerland. Although they do call this area the Switzerland of India. I say it's prettier than Switzerland. I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the Christmas tree last night. We call it mini Switzerland. Let's see what it is. Welcome to Khajjiar, mini Switzerland. They have a lake here. Let's go take a look. Welcome to the Khajjiar lake. It's a little dried up. We're just running because we're cold. No bathing, swimming or throwing litter in the lake. Remember that. Only boating is allowed in the lake. Alright, bye. Mini Switzerland, guys.
अरे पागल लड़की क्या कर रही है?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं जीना है, नहीं जीना है, मुझे जाने दो, मुझे जंप करना है, मैं जंप कर लूंगी, मैं जंप कर रही हूँ, मैंने जंप किया. The atmosphere in mini Switzerland. Guys hanging out, some other guys doing a photo shoot, some sweet little cows. Us is a little dried up in mini Switzerland because it is winter of India, okay? Pani puri also you get in mini Switzerland. Khajjiar also has a lot of horses. भैया business कैसा अभी? कम है क्यों?
ये नीचे लॉकडाउन का पूरा नहीं खुला है ना उस तरह से.
See guys, this is why you need to stand with travel. कैसा लग रहा है मिनी स्विट्जरलैंड में?
बहुत बढ़िया जी. Nice, beautiful.
So guys, what do you think of Khajjiar? Have you been here? Write in the comments.